got that AIO on. Took forever. That was hard to get on. Get these fans on. Fan. And I corded them. got push pull type stereo. I got 3 on that side and only 1 out here, so kind of need to flip it around. Got too much intake. Let's get this thing started up. Forgot to update the BIOS, so now I have to tear this whole thing out and do it again. Yippee!
Alright, BIOS, it's doing its thing.
Alright, got the BIOS all figured out. Installed the wrong one twice. It's okay. Got it all working. It's booting. Now just cleaning her up and closing her, and I'm going to show one last time. And it works. There it is. 55. It works. I did it. Thanks for watching.